trees, a war with jets, and a war with missiles, a war with high-seated government officials, Wall Street war on high finance, a war on people who just love to dance, a war on music, a war on speech, a war on teachers and the things they teach, a war for the last 500 years, a war just messing up the atmosphere, a war on Muslims, a war on Jews, a war on Christians and Hindus, a whole lot of people saying kill them all, they got a war on Mumia, Abu Jamal, the war on Pop is a war that's fair, a war that's filling up the nation's jails, World War I, II, III, and IV, chemical weapons, biological war, Bush War I and Bush War II, they got a war for me, they got a war for you. Can't stop it when the beat just drops. Can't stop it when the Red Bull rock. Can't stop it till we get those highs. Can't stop it 'cause we love this high. Dance to the new day, sing to the new day, rhyme to the new day, transform hell into heaven, God lives through realm of the today. Yesterday is over, tomorrow will be too late. Everything is gone, but the one is on balance. Music made for the dollar like soul and talent. Really ain't it all about a feeling you was having as a child, running around full of micro movements, set and threatening. It was now this thing, getting this energy. The next man reckoning. It's been brethren. Get the African will win Mr. President. What do you know? It's evidence setting it slow. How does it go? And the president is about to unfold. And then we can't start locking the door, pulling the sound here. Freedom come knocking the door and try locking the door. But we about to explode. We have a firefly tiger, our apocalypse flow. So deep in the bottom of your bottomless soul. Sitting line rush, find out without a pistol. Redesign lost words, got out of the code. Reborn into a world that is out of control. Truth you say, I say, how do I know? Can't stop it when the beat just drops. Can't stop it when the Red Bull rock. Can't stop it till we hit those highs. Can't stop it 'cause we love this high. I wanna rock with punk 'cause I love punk rock. I wanna rock with head 'cause I love hip hop. I wanna rock my beats all around the block. If I was in Baghdad, then I would rock out. I wanna rock with punk 'cause I love punk rock. I wanna rock with head 'cause I love hip hop. I wanna rock my beats all around the block. There's just one love for the land we rock. New world days and new world nights. New world values, new world rights. New world funds and new world banks. With the new world guns and new world tanks. New world temples and new world gods. New world jazz and new world heart. New world hits and new world songs. New world planes on the new world walls. New world's flying, the new world's dying. The new world's crying, the new world's trying. New world sons and new world dollars. They're already selling us new world water. New world beats for the new world to bang. New world streets for the new world to hang. New world presidents, new world drugs. New world president, new world lunch. New world plays for new world sports. New world trials for new world courts. New world warriors and new world laws. New world prisons and new world bars. New world fight, the new world fist. New world lined up, the new world split. New world smoke on the new world blows. New world smoke and the new world split. Can't stop it when the beat just drops. Can't stop it when the Red Bull rock. Can't stop it till we get those highs. Can't stop it 'cause we love this high. Can't stop it when the beat just drops. Can't stop it when the Red Bull rock. Can't stop it till we get those highs. Can't stop it 'cause we love this high. We don't stop. We don't stop. We don't stop. We don't stop. We don't stop.
Wow, stay back in here. Oh, thank you. That was so unreal. Come on, I get way more appreciation for the ocean now, man. Okay, all you creatures down there, mahalo. Mahalo for ang enlightenment, eh? Okay. I promise. I'm gonna stay connected. Okay? Come on. Gotta spread the word, man. You better not throw that rubbish inside.
How's it?
What are you guys doing?
Nothing. We're still appreciating the ocean.
Oh,
Yeah.
and so, you got a mama with a car, yeah?
Yeah. Now we know what you mean, Auntie. Thank you so much, Mahalo, for telling us.
Oh, okay, that's how we learn.
Yeah.
Kukuna's gotta tell you how it
We're going over here.
Here's some news just in from Kauai. Residents of Hanalei Bay are reporting as many as 200. That's 200 melon-headed whales swimming in a tight circle as close as 100 feet from the beach, and they're showing clear signs of distress. Well, the residents are attempting to keep the animals from beaching and to herd them back out to sea. The cause of this unusual mass near stranding is unclear at the moment, although there are reports of sonar tests taking place in the vicinity of Kauai. Mr. James Mead of the Smithsonian Institute Marine Mammal Program has found a strong association between Navy sonar operations and more than 100 whale stranding incidents over the last 40 years. And the words come from Rear Admiral Stephen Tomazeski. He's the Navy's chief oceanographer. And he says, and we quote, "We actually know more about the surface of the moon than we know about the oceans. We don't know where many of the whales are, and we don't know too much about how a whale's ear works." End of quote. This comes as no great surprise.
Good evening, everyone. With Redica's band, we invite you all to put your hands together for Hiccup Productions and all the people of Puna to create this beautiful, fantastic performance of Rama Ikuokai. Let's give a big hand to our jugglers. Our horn dancers. And club singers. Angie Baker as Emo. Martin Hasegawa as Typo. And Emma Ode as our Kupuna. Uncle Alidi as Pogo Alidi. A whale and a seahorse. Our metamorphosis troupe of acrobats. Wanda Silva, our trapeze artist. And our tissue performers. This Morris Bobby, our river crab. Where's the blue guy? Where's our crab?